Zest from 2 washed and dried organic oranges. I already washed my organic orange, dry off the water. Go with the pretty parts. Try not to get any of the lighter pith because that will taste bitter. And if you don't have certified organic, I don't recommend doing this because you don't want all those pesticides. The juice from 1 orange, about a half a cup. Next up, I've got my soft tofu, also known as SILKEN. Again, make sure it's certified organic so you're not going to be getting all those pesticides. And tofu is just one of those ingredients that is, a lot of times it's GMO, genetically modified, and that has more pesticides and can actually damage our DNA. All right, so I'm just going to drain off some of the little excess water, not too much. I'm going to cut this into fourths. And it really doesn't matter how big or small your package is. So I think this one's about 1 pound. And if yours is 10 ounces, that's okay. Yours is just going to be a little bit sweeter than mine. And it doesn't matter if you get it in the refrigerated section. I'm going to use raw vanilla bean powder. If you have vanilla extract, that's fine. Just make sure to use alcohol-free so there's no alcohol flavor in it. And I like this brand and this particular one. It's very clean and has good flavor. So 1 teaspoon. 5 MEDJOOL dates. Soaked overnight. I really like this particular date much better than the deglet dates because it's sweeter, it's larger, and it has a wonderful flavor. And check out this consistency by soaking it overnight. It just turns into mush, and that's what I want because that will help me blend it. And I'm removing the excess water, and that way my pudding won't be watery. It'll be nice and sweet. Oh, and this smells so delicious. So this is just water. I just soaked it in overnight and I left it on my counter, and I don't want to put it in the fridge because if I put it in the fridge, it'll just be a little bit too firm and won't break down as easily. So I don't think wasting anything. So I'm going to use this date water, which is wonderfully sweet. Now I can use this for a smoothie if I'd like, but today I'm going to add it to these cucumbers. You know, when you make pickled cucumbers, you use sugar. So I'm going to use the natural sweetness from the dates. I'm going to let this soak overnight, and tomorrow I'm going to have pickled cucumbers that are nice and sweet, and you got to add some spices. So you're getting 2 recipes in one. Just going to add some dill. That's my herb. And then for my spice, I'm going to add some red chili pepper flakes. And for the vinegar flavor, I like to use rice vinegar. It's just a little more mild than apple cider vinegar. So tomorrow I'll have this for a snack too. Cover this and put it in my fridge to keep this one cold. I have all my ingredients in my Vitamix blender. Now I'm just going to blend on low until creamy. Give it a little stir. All right. And taste it. Make sure you like it. Very good. So this way, if you decide, oh, I want more orange flavor, you can add some more. I'm just going to leave it as is. I think it's pretty good. And then I'm going to divide it by 2. I could definitely eat both. Or I should say the whole thing. It's not that many calories. But I'm going to divide it by 2 so my husband can have it too. And don't be afraid of tofu. If it's certified organic, it's got a wonderful ingredient called genistein, and that removes the excess estrogen from your body and reduces your chances of getting cancer. All right, so I'm going to put this in the fridge and it will be ready in a few hours. This orange pudding is super creamy and has just the right amount of sweetness, and the orange flavor is nice and fresh, and it's surprisingly high in protein at 12 grams of protein, 240 calories, 33 net carbohydrates with 3 grams of fiber. Pretty amazing for a pudding with only 6 grams of fat. I'll put the recipe in the YouTube description below. Let me know if you have any questions and if you think you're going to make this. Hope to see you soon. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.